Most traders lose money for one simple reason. They buy when price is expensive and sell when price is cheap. Institutions don't do that. They use one concept to avoid this mistake: premium and discount. In this video, we are going to explain what is premium and discount, and we are going to introduce our product on MQ5 website. Premium and discount come from smart money concepts, and they answer one critical question: is price currently cheap or expensive relative to the structure? To apply this, you first need a clear price range. In an uptrend, the range is drawn from the swing low to the swing high. In a downtrend, from the swing high to the swing low. Once the range is defined, we mark the 50% level, also called equilibrium. The equilibrium divides the range into two zones. Above 50% is the premium zone, and below 50% is the discount zone. In a bullish market, smart money looks to buy in discount, where price is cheaper and risk is lower. Buying in premium means you are late, and that's where most retail traders get trapped. In a bearish market, institutions prefer to sell in premium and take profits in discount. Again, they sell when price is expensive and avoid selling at cheap prices. This is why premium and discount are not entry strategies by themselves. They are filters. If the market is bullish, only look for buy setups in discount. If the market is bearish, only look for sell setups in premium. By doing this, you immediately improve risk to reward and avoid chasing price and align your trades with institutional behavior. Premium and discount simplify trading into one powerful idea: buy cheap, sell expensive. But do it with a structure, not emotion. In this part of the video, I'd like to introduce you to my SMC Premium and Discount indicator for MQ5. Once you load this indicator onto your chart, you will notice a range of input options designed to customize your experience. First, there is the candle mode input, which allows you to choose how many candles you want the indicator to consider, ranging from all candles down to a specific number like 200 or 500. Next, you can enable the option to show all premium and discount zones from the beginning of the chart if you wish to see the historical context. Another parameter is the swing number for highs and lows, which helps the indicator to determine the trend and draw the relevant premium and discount lines. You also have the ability to display a colorful background for these zones and customize the colors for premium and discount areas. Finally, you can select which levels you want to show, like 0%, 25%, 50%, and so on. By default, the key levels are turned on. After applying the settings, you will see arrows on the chart that let you toggle these zones on or off just by clicking on them. That make the tool user-friendly and efficient for your trading workflow. So in this video, we'll learn what premium and discount are and how we can use them. And we also introduced a very powerful indicator that helps you quickly identify premium and discount zones on the chart. The two videos you see here are for those who don't know how to buy products from MQ5, or for traders who want to learn other analytical concepts from the very beginning. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.